This looks like a real opal, but it's not. It's a Gilson synthetic opal. And today I'm showing you the exact trick to spot it under the microscope. We start with the stone full of beautiful colors, green, blue, pink, flashing everywhere. It looks completely natural at first. Then I turn it in profile position and start rocking and tilting the gem. Something weird appears. The play of color doesn't behave like a natural opal. Instead of random flashes, the colors seem to follow straight lines. I go in for a big close-up, and there it is, a clear columnar structure. The colors are arranged in neat vertical bands. Natural opal doesn't grow this way. Natural opals grow through a slow geological process where water carrying dissolved silicon dioxide flows through earth, cracks and voids. As the water evaporates over thousands to millions of years, it leaves microscopic silica spheres behind. These spheres stack into an orderly grid, which bends light to create rainbow colors. In natural opals, the silica spheres are arranged in an orderly fashion, like oranges neatly packed in a crate. But in this case, this perfect columnar structure is the smoking gun of a lab-created Gilson opal. Look at this final extreme close-up. The bands are so regular it's almost too perfect. That's how you know it's synthetic. If you want to learn how to spot these kinds of tricks and become a better gemologist, hit like and subscribe to the Gemological Institute of Genoa. Learning gemology is the best way to protect yourself and truly understand the stones you love.